In this tutorial, you will learn how to set up QUIC.cloud CDN for a site hosted by SiteGround. Before we begin, you will need the following: the LiteSpeed Cache plugin for WordPress, installed, activated, and configured, and a SiteGround web hosting account. If you don't currently have the LSCache plugin installed, you can get started quickly and easily with one of our preset configurations. See the video description for more information about that. There are 4 steps to setting up QUIC.cloud CDN and DNS for a SiteGround site. First, you'll initiate auto CDN setup in the LiteSpeed Cache WordPress plugin. Second, you'll point your NS records to QUIC.cloud. Third, you'll complete the setup in the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. And fourth, you'll verify that all of your DNS records were imported to QUIC.cloud. Now let's get started. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to LiteSpeed Cache, then CDN, then QUIC.cloud CDN setup. Click the Link to QUIC.cloud button. This will open up the my.quic.cloud user account registration page. You can either register using your existing Google, Facebook, or Twitter account, or you can register with your email address. Return to the LiteSpeed Cache plugin and click the Run CDN Setup button. When the initial setup phase is complete, you will receive an email with the subject CDN Setup Success with instructions for updating your name servers. Point name servers to QUIC.cloud. You will need to log into your domain registrar for this step. Your domain registrar may be the same name as your hosting provider, but that is not always the case. We are going to assume that you registered your domain with SiteGround, but if this is not true for you, please adapt these instructions to your own domain registrar's interface. To update your name servers, navigate to Services, then Domains. From the Actions drop-down menu, select Manage Domain. Click Manage Name Servers. QUIC.cloud has provided 2 name servers for you. You can find them in the confirmation email we mentioned previously, or on the LiteSpeed plugin's Auto CDN Setup tab. Change the existing name server 1 and name server 2 fields to the QUIC.cloud name servers. If there are any other name server fields populated, clear them. Click Save and then Continue to apply the changes. Return to the LiteSpeed Cache plugin and click the Refresh CDN Setup Status button. The update process can take some time, but once it's complete, you will see the account is linked status, and the CDN setup status will be done. You will also receive a CDN now enabled email confirmation. While you're waiting, you can use dnschecker.org to see whether the QUIC.cloud name servers have propagated for your domain. Log into your QUIC.cloud dashboard, and you will see your domain listed on the My Domains tab. You can click your domain name to review the services overview for the CDN, and all of the WordPress optimization online services. At this point, QUIC.cloud CDN is set up and ready to go, but it's a good idea to verify that all of your DNS records have been properly migrated over from SiteGround. Navigate to DNS zones, select your domain name, and look at the DNS records that QUIC.cloud has detected. Go back to your SiteGround account and navigate to Websites and click Site Tools on the desired site. Click Domain on the left menu list and click DNS Zone Editor. Scroll down to the Manage DNS Records section. View your DNS records and verify that they are the same as those detected by QUIC.cloud. If any necessary SiteGround DNS records are missing in QUIC.cloud, you can add them manually. If you experience issues with your WordPress site after setting up QUIC.cloud, such as 503 errors, please open a support ticket on your SiteGround web hosting account for further assistance. Congratulations! You have successfully set up QUIC.cloud CDN and QUIC.cloud DNS for your SiteGround hosted WordPress site. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, take a look at the links in the description. For more on this and other QUIC.cloud topics, please see our documentation at QUIC.cloud/docs. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, and sharing. See you next time!